Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mohini and I'm here to give you an update on my new favorite moisturizer. Hope you guys have been following a lot of my videos and have been enjoying them and using some of the products that I recommended. If you come take a look at my skin, I've been glowing, so some of the products obviously has been working and then some not so much. So I'm going to talk about this new product. It's called this Real Carrot Cream by the brand Aprilskin. It's a brand that's you can actually buy it. I will make sure to include the link in the description box below so you'll be able to buy this. This has actually all the key ingredients that you can find in carrots, and it's actually extremely helpful for your skin. It's very moisturizing. I have very dry skin in the winter and I need something that has a lot of moisture throughout the day and can kind of hold that, because I really get annoyed when my skin is super dry and the moisturizer does not last till the end of the day. So some of the ingredients that they actually have here is, so this brand, it's actually looks like to be a Korean brand. So Aprilskin is actually a K-beauty brand that launched in 2014, and they have all natural products for your skin, which is something that I love. So the brand again was founded in 2014 with just one product, and it did so well on the market that they decided to create their own line of all natural products and natural cosmetics. And I love when things are kind of derived from like carrot cream or like banana cream or like a cucumber cream. I feel like it's better for my skin if it's natural, and that's why I trust the brand so much. This is what it looks like. So in the morning, I literally take this much and like put it all over my face. It actually smells like real carrot cream. Just moisturize it on your skin. I'm actually applying it over my makeup, and it's not like super, doesn't have a super fragrancy smell that will bother you. It's very natural, very easy, and has lots of moisture. It will hold me the whole entire day and keep my skin very soothed and moisturized. So if you guys have dry skin and want to try a new product, I'm telling you, it's this Real Carrot Cream by Aprilskin. And so yeah, if you guys need a deep moisturizing cream, if you have very dry skin, I would definitely recommend this brand and this specific cream. It did wonders for my skin, and I'm sure it will do really, really well for the winter. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and have a wonderful day. Bye.